Hello, and I'm at Stevenage on the East Coast Main Line. Today we're going to be seeing services by Thameslink, Great Northern, LNER, and hopefully some freight Grand Central and Hull trains. So let's see what shall turn up. So a Thameslink Class 700 from Peterborough to London King's Cross is now arriving. £720. There's another Thameslink service on platform 4 which is arriving, as this one is now going to depart. There it is. Right, here departs this one, 720.
Train now approaching platform 2.
Oh no, train approaching platform 2, not stopping yet.
Well, here again, platform 2.
Zuma, 70122 to Peterborough from Horsham. Yeah. Few tones there. Right, here comes the Zuma. Numbers of that, but that is an absolute thunderbolt from Leeds to London King's Cross. Okay, we have another Thameslink 700 about to come from Cambridge to London King's Cross. $700,058.
Going in platform 1 and 1440 King's Cross service. Train calling Nebworth, Welling North, Welling Garden City, Hatfield, Potters Bar, Finsbury Park, and Harlington Cross.
As this one here to Peterborough from Horsham is now departing. We're about ready to depart. The next train from London from Cross to Cambridge is going to be a Thameslink Class 700. This is probably going to be stopping everywhere, like Foxton and all this. 700,035. Okay, now departing is 700,035 from London King's Cross to Cambridge. Okay, we have a train passing by platform 2 here. I think it's an Adelante of Grand Central. And so stand back because it's going to be loud and fast. still 1 minute. Okay, the next train is going to be a Great Northern 717. I thought this would be coming from Moorgate, but it's actually from Alexandra Palace. I don't know why. So this is from Alexandra Palace with the returning service to here. So when I arrived here, there was another 717, which was 717011 with the NHS We Thank You livery. (801-210) from London King's Cross to York, and this is 717019. Very slow. And the zoomer is out of sight. The next train to pass by is going to be a Great Northern Cross 387 from King's Lynn to London King's Cross. There it is. Okay, leading the way is 37110 with 103 on the rear. So we have an LNER service to Lincoln. Platform 3. There's also meant to be one from Lincoln to King's Cross on platform 2, which is the one I'm on. Maybe it's a little bit late. Okay, pulling slowly into the station is Porto by 800-203. Very sleek. I just learned something that the train meant to go on this platform is actually coming in now. I read the wrong thing. It's meant to be, I read the 1454, but it's actually the 1554. So, yes. So this is meant to be departing in 1 minute. The whistle has been blown and this zoomer should be ready to depart. Here we go. Now departing is 717019. This time it is going to Moorgate. So there's a 10% class from 100 to London King's Cross from Peterborough. There it is. The number is 700 155. So this one is going to have rainbow livery.
Train in platform 1, 1506, King's Cross service, this train calling at Harlington.
Lovely. And we have another Thameslink service on platform 4 to somewhere. I'll get the information later. Here it is. This one is 70102.
Train platform 1, train now into it. Please stand away from the train, platform 1.
Paragon. Nice tone there from 82.05. Okay. So now the signal to 155. We're now departing to London King's Cross. This is to Cambridge, as it says on there, and I'll get its origin when I check. So I've just checked, and it is from Brighton. So this is now departing from Brighton to Cambridge. So now I've seen every single operator on the East Coast Main Line, including Thameslink, Great Northern, NNER, Freight, no not yet, Grand Central and Hawk trains. Well, off that goes. We have an Azuma about to pass by on platform 2. As you can see, I have changed platforms. I'm now on the 3rd. So here comes this Azuma. And I try and follow it until it disappears. Wait, another one on platform 3 not stopping here. So I shall definitely keep the camera rolling. So that Azuma has now gone. So what is it going to be? On platform 3 that's not going to stop. Another Azuma. Okay. I'm going to have it just down here. (801 230). Bringing a lot of wind in the process. So the first Azuma was from Newcastle to London King's Cross, and that one was to Edinburgh Waverley. Okay, we have another Grand Central Adelante with the A319 making a racket. Okay, here comes the Adelante. Nice tone, not for me though. Maybe it was. (180 107). And we have we have a Harrogate NNER service on platform 3 here, worked by a 5-car Azuma. (800 209). It is 5 carriages. And we have another train not stopping on platform 2. Wait, I'm gonna get my secret camera angle again. What is it gonna be? Hull Trains, Azuma, Great Northern. Probably is Great Northern. Azuma. 8121. From York to London King's Cross. Now with people shouting, this Azuma to Harrogate is going to depart. There we go. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be an LNER Azuma. Is going to pass. I think that was 801 103. It might have been 800 103. I'll double check. It was 800 103. Okay, now approaching platform 5 is going to be a Great Northern 717 from Moorgate. 77006. And we have a passing by train platform 3. I wonder what it is. Here we go. Three 7 208 and 109 to Kings Lynn.